Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at 7 best freelance websites for beginners. Number 7. People Per Hour. People Per Hour can be a useful platform for beginner freelancers to enter the freelance world. It offers a large pool of freelance jobs across various industries, from writing and graphic design to web development and marketing. This variety allows beginners to find projects that match their skill set, even if it's still under development. The website functions as a two-way street. Businesses post projects with specific requirements and budget, and freelancers submit proposals outlining their approach and rates. This system allows beginners to gain valuable experience by working on smaller projects and gradually building a portfolio. People Per Hour also offers a system of ratings and reviews, which can be helpful for beginners. By delivering high-quality work and meeting deadlines, new freelancers can establish a positive reputation and attract more clients. It's important to remember that competition can be high on this platform, so crafting a strong profile and competitive rates are crucial for landing projects. Overall, People Per Hour provides a good starting point for beginners to test the freelance waters, build their skills and experience, and secure their initial freelance projects. Number 6. Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing platform that can be a great starting point for beginners. It allows you to offer your services in a variety of categories, from writing and graphic design to video editing and programming. One of the biggest advantages of Fiverr for beginners is the ease of setting up. You can create a profile, list your skills, and set your prices all within a short amount of time. There's also a wide range of project types available, so you can find gigs that match your experience level and interests. Fiverr's pricing structure is another perk for beginners. You can set your prices as low as you'd like, which can be helpful for attracting clients when you're first starting out. This allows you to build your portfolio and gain experience while gradually increasing your rates as you establish yourself. The platform also offers a number of features that can help you be successful as a freelancer. There's a built-in messaging system that allows you to communicate with clients, a buyer protection program that helps ensure you get paid, and even customer reviews that can build your credibility over time. While Fiverr can be a great launchpad for beginners, it's important to be aware of the competition. The platform is full of freelancers offering similar services, so it's important to create a profile that stands out and highlights your unique skills and experience. Number 5. 99 Designs. 99 Designs can be a useful platform for beginner graphic designers to launch their freelance careers. It offers two main ways to find work: contests and one-to-one projects. Contests allow you to compete with other designers for a client's project. This can be a good way to build your portfolio quickly and get your name out there, especially if you're new to freelancing. However, contests can also be time-consuming, and there's no guarantee you'll win. With one-to-one projects, you set your own rates and work directly with a client on a specific project. This gives you more control over your earnings and the type of work you do. However, it can be more competitive to land one-to-one projects, as clients often have more options to choose from. One of the biggest advantages of 99 Designs for beginners is that it's a relatively low-risk way to get started with freelancing. It's free to sign up and create a profile, and you only pay fees when you win a contest or land a project. This allows you to test the waters of freelancing without a major financial investment. Another benefit is that 99 Designs provides a platform to showcase your work and connect with potential clients. You can create a portfolio on your profile, which clients can browse when searching for designers. The platform also has a community forum where you can connect with other designers and learn from their experiences. Number 4. Upwork. Upwork can be a valuable launchpad for beginner freelancers. As a large online marketplace, it connects businesses with independent professionals across the globe. This means a wider pool of potential clients searching for your specific skills, whether you're a writer, graphic designer, virtual assistant, or anything in between. Upwork simplifies the process of finding freelance work. You create a profile highlighting your skills and experience, then browse project postings or submit proposals for jobs that interest you. Upwork also offers resources specifically geared towards beginners. Their website includes guides and tutorials on crafting a strong profile, writing competitive proposals, and navigating the freelance world. Additionally, many projects posted on Upwork are smaller in scope, allowing new freelancers to gain experience and build their portfolio without taking on overwhelming commitments. Of course, Upwork isn't without its drawbacks. Competition can be fierce, and some clients may have tight budgets. However, for beginners willing to put in the effort to create a compelling profile and target suitable projects, Upwork can be a great platform to launch a successful freelance career. Number 3. Freelancer. Freelancer.com is a popular platform for beginners to launch their freelance careers. It offers a vast marketplace where businesses post projects across various fields, from writing and graphic design to web development and marketing. This variety allows beginners to find projects that match their skill set, even if it's still under development. The website simplifies the process of connecting with potential clients. Freelancers create profiles showcasing their skills, experience, and rates. Businesses then browse these profiles and post project details, inviting freelancers to submit proposals. This system eliminates the cold calling or emailing that often comes with traditional freelance prospecting. Freelancer.com also offers a cost-effective way to enter the freelance world. Signing up is free, and freelancers only pay fees when they win projects. This makes it a low-risk option for beginners to test the waters of freelancing and build their portfolio without a significant financial investment. Overall, Freelancer.com provides a valuable stepping stone for beginners in the freelance world. It offers a user-friendly platform, a wide range of projects, and a cost-effective way to connect with potential clients. Number 2. Toptal. Toptal is a freelance platform designed for established professionals, not beginners. They focus on connecting experienced freelancers in fields like software development, design, finance, and project management with top companies around the world. Their website includes a comprehensive guide packed with tips on launching and growing a freelance business. This guide covers essential aspects like building a strong portfolio, finding clients, and managing your finances as a freelancer. If you're a highly skilled professional with a solid portfolio and experience under your belt, Toptal can be a great platform to consider. They have a rigorous screening process to ensure only the top 3% of talent join their network. This can lead to access to high-paying projects and the opportunity to work with prestigious clients. Number 1. Guru. Guru is a well-established online platform that can be a helpful starting point for beginner freelancers. It functions as a marketplace connecting freelancers with potential clients. Companies and individuals seeking freelance services post projects, and freelancers can browse and submit bids outlining their qualifications, proposed approach, and project rates. Guru offers a user-friendly platform for building your profile. You can showcase your skills, experience, and past work through portfolios and client testimonials. This allows potential clients to assess your suitability for their project. The platform also provides tools for secure communication and project management, streamlining your workflow once you land a project. An advantage of Guru for beginners is the wide range of freelance jobs available. The platform covers a broad spectrum of industries, from writing and graphic design to web development and marketing. This allows you to find projects that align with your existing skills while also exploring new areas you might be interested in developing. While Guru can be a great starting point for your freelance journey, it's important to remember that competition can be high. Be prepared to refine your profile, submit compelling proposals, and potentially adjust your rates to be competitive. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you found it helpful, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.